This video is going to have a look at preparing a 5-number summary. So by the end of the video, you will be able to prepare a 5-number summary. So a 5-number summary is a snapshot of our set of data that we have analyzed. And it consists of, surprisingly, 5 numbers. Now those 5 numbers are going to be the lowest number, our quartile 1 value, our median number, which is also our quartile 2, our quartile 3 value, and our highest number. So there are the 5 numbers that are going to make up our 5-number summary. When we write a 5-number summary, make sure that we are writing it in ascending order. So the first number you write is going to be your lowest number. Then you're going to write your quartile 1 number, your median number, your quartile 3 number, and your highest number. Make sure that you're writing them in order. To get the 5-number summary correct, it needs to be in order. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. In the first example, I've got a 5-number summary and I want to identify the elements. So because they are in order, I know that my first number is going to be the lowest number. Second number is going to be my quartile 1 number. Next number is going to be my median or my quartile 2. Then it's going to be quartile 3 and the highest number. That is why we write it in ascending order, so it's nice and easy to be able to go through and recognize our numbers. So in our second example, we want to use the 5-number summary to determine the median, the interquartile range, and the range. So remember, our 5-number summary consists of our 5 numbers, our lowest number, quartile 1, median, quartile 3, and highest number. So by looking at the 5-number summary, I know that my median is going to be 39. To calculate my interquartile range, I need to subtract quartile 1 from quartile 3. So my quartile 3 value is 44, my quartile 1 value is 37, so 44 minus 37 is going to be 7. So my interquartile range is 7. So my range is going to be the highest number minus the smallest number or the lowest number. So my highest number is 48, my lowest number is 29. So 48 minus 29 is going to be 19. So I can complete some of my calculations that are used for measure of spread off of a 5-number summary without actually needing to know what all of the data is behind that 5-number summary. So we'll have a look at our third example where we've actually got to prepare a 5-number summary. And I've got 24 values based on cars caught speeding at a roadside speed camera. And we want to prepare a 5-number summary based on that data. So to be able to prepare the 5-number summary, I need the smallest number and the highest number, which I can easily identify. But I also need my quartile 1, my quartile 3, and my median values. So if you're not sure on how to calculate those numbers, go back, watch the measure of center video to be able to calculate the median, or the measure of spread video to calculate quartile 1 and quartile 3. So we'll go through those steps now, but if you're unsure, go back and watch those specific videos to fill in the gaps. So starting off with my median, I've got to find where my median term is going to be. So that is n plus 1 divided by 2. So I got 24 values, so 24 plus 1 divided by 2. So I'm looking for the 12.5th term. So starting at the beginning of my data set, I'm going to count till I get to my 12th number and my 13th number, because my 12.5th term is going to be in between those two numbers. So I start at my first number and keep counting till I get to my 12th and my 13th number, which is going to be 89 and 89. So to find my median, I'm going to add those two numbers together, divide by 2, which equals to 89. So my median is going to be 89. So now I need to split my data set into 2. And because my median is in between two numbers, I can draw a line in between those two numbers and split my data set into 2 equal halves consisting of 12 numbers each. So now I can find my quartile terms. So n plus 1 divided by 2. So each half has 12 numbers. So 12 plus 1 divided by 2. So I'm looking for the 6.5th term. So starting at my first number to get to my 6th and my 7th number in order, it is going to be 84 and 85. So the quartile 1 is going to be in between 84 and 85. So add them together, divide by 2, it gets me to 84.5. So my quartile 1 value is going to be 84.5. Then starting at the first number in my second half and counting till I get to my 6th and my 7th number is going to be in between 92 and 94. So to calculate quartile 3, add 92, 94 together, divide by 2, it's going to equal to 93. So my 5-number summary is going to be my smallest number, which I can see is 82. Then quartile 1, which is going to be 84.5. My median term is going to be 89. My quartile 3 value is going to be 93. And my largest value is going to be 102. So that is my 5-number summary for the 24 values provided to me in the question. And that concludes our video on 5-number summaries. How do we use them and how do we prepare them?